All right, guys, this is Kelly from Heels, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course. We're actually standing inside of one of our properties. This particular property, we seller financed out to some people. However, they did not make the payments, and so we had to repossess the mobile home back from them. And I've been telling everybody it is a 2009, but it's actually a 2014 mobile home. And the main reason why we have to reseller finance this property out is because this particular product does not allow for renting. Those of you who have been watching our videos know me and my family like to rent our mobile homes out, but unfortunately this particular part does not allow for renting, so we have to resell or finance this particular mobile home out. This mobile home came with a stove and a refrigerator. As you can see, the refrigerator is gone. So whoever buys this home is going to be responsible for getting their own refrigerator. It does come with the dishwasher as well. And as you can see, guys, they put in some kind of fancy sink here. What we were trying to do is sell the mobile home as is for $35,000. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We actually purchased this mobile home, and I'll give you guys a look at the outside. We purchased this mobile home for $9,000. It's a 2014 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and we put a $3,200 wheelchair ramp with an awning, and I'll show you guys that here shortly. But let's take a look at the inside. So what's the big problem in this particular mobile home is that the people who used to live here had a son that was a quadriplegic, and what they did is they pretty much like destroyed the master bedroom. And I shouldn't say destroyed it. What they did, they made the master bedroom to the point where it's for somebody who is handicapped, because this master bedroom was not like this when we purchased this particular mobile home. As you can see, take a close look at the flooring. Whoever put the flooring up, they didn't put it up correctly. So this is one of the things we're going to have to fix. We have to come in here and refix the flooring. And as you can see, the shower, they made it an open concept shower. So what we're going to do, we're going to enclose the shower. And then another thing, guys, if you come here a little closer, you will see that there's no sink inside of this master bedroom. So we're going to put a sink at least in one area here. I'm not really sure what we're going to do with this particular area here. So that is our dilemma. The reason why we can't really sell this mobile home, people cannot see the vision of this being a master bedroom. So we have to enclose it. If you look real close, they have some beautiful fixtures and stuff, for anybody, not just somebody handicapped. And then we have a closet over here. They did all new windows in this home. They had all plans on staying, but guys, they just could not make the payments. And so we took them to court and we won. Okay. And then this is another thing that I teach you in the course on how to repossess your mobile homes back. And I'm not even talking about in the state of Texas, in any state that you're trying to do business in. And these are the new windows. Let's go over here to the other side here, guys. We got the back door here and we'll take a look at the outside of this particular mobile home before I leave you guys in this particular video. There's the kitchen. This is the living area. And so what we plan on doing is we plan on just putting some cheap vinyl floors, retexturing the walls, and we're going to definitely redo that master bedroom. Before we go outside, let's take a look at the two smaller bedrooms. There's actually a bathroom over here as well, and got to do some flooring in here. We're like putting lipstick on a pig, guys, kind of get rid of this home very quickly. And even though we're asking $35,000 for this particular mobile home, the rehab that we're going to do is roughly going to be under $3,500. And what we're going to do, we're going to ask for roughly about $45, $50, maybe $55,000 for a mobile home that we didn't even pay $12,200 for. Okay. The drawback about investing in a mobile home that is inside of a park is that you have to pay the lot rent. That is the drawback. But the whole thing is you have to make sure you're collecting enough rent so you can handle the lot rent and then you have some overage in your pocket. That's what you have to do. However, when you're seller financing, guys, I also show you how to, create a note seller financing. We'll go here in the smaller bathroom here, guys. And as you can see, it needs a lot of work here. There's actually a hole here in the tub. And so we're going to have to redo this as well. But over all in all, there's nothing really major wrong with this particular mobile home. We get a lot of people inquiring about this mobile home, but guys, they cannot see the vision. And of course, guys, we're going to take this ceiling fan and take it off completely, and we'll just have a light up here, a little small light fixture, because this is very low. This ceiling is very low. We're going to head outside, and I'm going to show you why people really love this particular mobile home. I'll take you guys outside. If you want to learn how to mobile home invest, guys, you can contact me at 800-974-5580. We can do a quick, free 30-minute Zoom, one-on-one, just you and me on a quick Zoom, okay? Now, this is the showstopper here, guys. This is what everybody likes. All right. And so if you look off into the distance, guys, there's actually a shed there. That shed does not come with this particular mobile home, okay? That shed will be moving out of here very soon. But everybody likes this, wheelchair ramp. This awning is very, very nice. We'll take a quick look on the outside. So very nice community. When we star a park, guys, I would say this star park is roughly about a 3-star park, but it's a very nice community. The lot rent in this particular park is $750, which is the norm these days, especially in the southern states. It's the norm. If you look on the other side of the mobile home, you will also see that there is a wheelchair ramp there as well. So this is Kelly from Hills, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course. If you want to learn how to be a mobile home investor, please contact me at 800-974-5580. See you soon.